In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Facebook and Instagram messages in Meta Business Suite. Meta Business Suite is Meta's dashboard that helps you manage your Facebook page and Instagram accounts in one place. Knowing exactly where to find your messages is really important if you're running a business, handling customer support, or just trying to stay on top of your inbox without jumping between different apps. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Business Suite. The easiest way is to search for Meta Business Suite and click on the official Meta link, or you can go directly to the Business Suite URL if you have it bookmarked. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that has access to your business page or Instagram account. If you manage more than one business, check that you've selected the correct business in the top area of the screen so you're seeing the right inbox. Once Meta Business Suite has loaded, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with different options like Home, Notifications, and so on. In that left-hand column, click on Inbox. This is where Meta groups all of your communication channels together, including Facebook messages, Instagram direct messages, and sometimes comments and other interactions, depending on your setup. After you click Inbox, you should see a main panel with your conversations. At the top of this inbox area, you'll notice different tabs that let you filter what you're seeing. To focus on your Instagram messages only, click on the Instagram tab. This will switch the view so that you're only looking at Instagram direct messages that are connected to the Instagram account linked to this business. Here, you can scroll through recent conversations, click on any message thread to read the full history, and reply directly from within Meta Business Suite. This is really useful if you want to keep all your replies in one place and avoid using your phone for every Instagram DM. When you want to see your Facebook messages, look in that same area of tabs and click on the Messenger tab. This shows you the messages that people have sent to your Facebook page via Messenger. Just like with Instagram, you can open any conversation to read and respond right there. If you're handling a lot of messages, it can help to regularly switch between the Instagram and Messenger tabs so you don't miss anything on either platform. And that's all you need to know to quickly find both your Facebook and Instagram messages inside Meta Business Suite.